Ang biggest issue for this year and personally, ever since I entered politics, is still corruption. To those young people who wish to enter public service, kailangan matibay yung loob ninyo. You have to do this thing for the right reasons. You want to make a difference in the lives of the Filipinos. You want our country to be a better place to live in. Yan dapat ang magiging objective. Then, stick to that. Because pag nakapasok ka na dito, pag nagkaroon ka ng power, yung iba na hindi handa, hindi solid yung kanilang moorings, nami-misuse at na-abuse nila yung power. Nakakalimutan nila yung reason sila why they entered public service. So, yun ang aking advice. Yung kanilang personal wealth, kasi yun, mahirapan silang i-justify kung saan ang galing yun, di ba? Recently, yung claim ni VP Sara na siya daw ay isang anti-corruption crusader naman, wag naman, di ba? So, that's an outright gaslighting. Alam natin yung mga corruption na issues involving her doon sa confidential funds, yung mga Mary Grace Piatos, at kung ano-ano pa. Kaya huwag tayong magpapadala sa ganun. Ang wish ko sa mga Filipinos ay try to find ways to be happy, especially itong holiday season. Ito na, no? Kasi ultimately, yung tayo magbibigay ng reasons kung ba't tayo liligaya eh. It's not what other people would say or do, kung ano man yung gusto nilang conventions na mag-conform tayo. Hindi, nasa sa atin yung susi sa ating kaligayahan, kaya find that reason to be happy.